to keep in mind when you're doing this job after you're done, you're going to want to go to a local garage and have the vehicle aligned so you don't have premature tire wear. Take the wheel off. I'm going to use a 21mm socket. Remove the wheel. Just going to spray a little rust penetrant on here. This is pretty rusty. Let it soak. I'm going to take this nut off, use an 18mm wrench. And then to hold the stud, I'm going to use a 6mm hex bit. Loosen this up first. And take that nut off and then slide this out. And take the ABS wire out of this bracket right here. Just slide it out. And this one too. And we want to remove the brake hose from this bracket. There's a little clip right here. Just take a screwdriver, just try to pry it out a little bit. Slide that off and slide the brake hose out. Now I'm going to use a 21mm wrench on this bolt here and 21mm socket. Take these two nuts off. Be careful of the brake hose, don't get it caught. Don't want to rip it. And now you can take these bolts out and slide the knuckle off of here. You might want to support this knuckle. You don't want to put too much tension on the brake hose or on the CV joint if it starts pulling out. And we need to take these bolts out, but before we take these two out, there is a third one that's behind the cowl right here. You can just take a straight blade screwdriver, raise this up right here, take this out of the way. And then there's a little cover right here. Pull this up and out of the way, and then you can access it. I just take a 13mm socket and an extension. And then I pulled this cover off so I can access it from here with my hand, just to get on it and loosen it up. And pull the other two out. Now I'm going to grab the strut assembly from underneath and take this last bolt out. And I'll pull it right out. All right, take the new strut assembly. Now this only goes on one way. These bolt holes will only line up one direction. So slide this in position and get one of these bolts started. Might be easier if you have a helper. Hold that while you get the bolts in. And get this other one in. Just make sure you get a couple turns on these bolts. I am going to leave this loose so that we can attach everything underneath first before we torque these down. Now take the knuckle, slide this in position. If you have to twist the strut, you can. And raise it up. Slide the bolt there, and this one right here. Then we'll torque these to 92 foot-pounds. Line the brake hose up. Take the clip, slide the clip in position, and just take a hammer and just give it a tap. There we go, looks good. Take the ABS wire, put that back in the bracket right there and right there. Reattach the upper sway bar link. The nut on. And we'll torque this to 62 foot-pounds. And then line these bolts up to kind of where they were before. There is an alignment adjustment right here. I'm going to use a 12mm socket to tighten these down. And then torque these to 12 foot-pounds. And put these covers back on here and right here. Put the wheel back on. And the lug nuts. Now I'm going to torque these lug nuts to 83 foot-pounds in a star pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check.